What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna do a bald taper tutorial for you guys. It's an easy way to do a bald taper. So we're first gonna start off with picking the hair, because of his hair is obviously curly. I'm gonna start off then with my fabulous outliner to do the first guideline. After we do the first guideline, we're gonna hit it with the shaver because it is a bald taper. Just a quick reminder, for a hair like this, you want to make sure you ask the client if he doesn't get irritated, because for the most part there is clients that get irritated with the shaver just because their hair is really curly. Once we finish up that step, we're gonna get our 2 guard close. We're gonna flick up on the top of the taper just to have a nice, better blend. Grabbed my fast feed and kind of did a little a free hand just to clean up the surface a little better. Don't have any hairs like sticking out. Then after, I'm gonna get my 0 guard, my 1/16. I'm gonna do my first guideline, like 1/2 inch to 1 inch. It just depends how much work you have. And then we're gonna go from close, halfway, then open, fading up. Make sure you ain't scared of fade up. You gotta fade up to get the blend. Don't stay in the same guideline. After that, we're gonna grab our 1 guard, close, halfway, then open, and then grab our 2 guard, close, halfway, then open, just fade up. After that, I'm gonna grab my T outliner, erase the first guideline that I made with my shaver, and then get my fast feed with no guard. I'm gonna do the same steps: close, halfway, then open. After that, I'm gonna go over my work. After my open, no guard, I'm gonna go back with my 0 guard, close, halfway, then open, flick. Make sure you flick your wrist when you're doing the fade so you could blur. You don't want to make another guideline. You don't want to make a deep guideline in there. Just small little details matters a lot to get a nice blend on it. His taper is actually more like a Lil Baby's taper, the rapper, Lil Baby. That's gonna be the name of the video. Once we got our taper finished up in the back, we're gonna do the lines on the side to edge them up, to make that taper pop up a lot more. These steps I did right now are basically gonna do the same steps on the sides. And as you can see, I'm detailing again with my Masters cordless with no guard. I'm gonna do close, halfway, then open. Just make sure you flick and you don't see any dark spots. Now I'm gonna move on to the side. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pick his hair a little bit, start the first guideline with my T outliner. I'm gonna start off with the 2 close to clean up the surface. As you saw, before I started the 2, it was kind of dark, so I'm just flicking it up just to take the darkness off the bulk. As I said before, we're gonna hit the shaver. We're gonna do basically the same steps. After this, we're gonna grab our Oster fast feed, 0 guard, close, like 1/2 inch, because obviously it's a side taper. We're gonna go close and halfways, as I did it right now. After halfways, we're gonna go open, all the way open. Once we do the open, we're gonna grab our number 1 guard, close, halfway, then open. Then you grab the 2 guard, close, halfway, then open, flick up. As you can see right now, I'm doing a little free hand on the side of the taper. And remember, go back in detail. So if you need to start over, start over. Go halfways, meaning go close, halfway, then open. So now I'm gonna erase the guideline with my T outliner, the guideliner that I created with my shaver. I'm gonna erase it, barely flicking the line. After that, I'm gonna grab my Oster fast feed once again with no guard, close, halfway, then open, initial fade. After that, of course, I'm gonna go back and detail the taper. As you can see, I'm grabbing again my 0 guard, close, half within open, and flick, and it's gonna have a nice smooth blend. Let me know what you think about this video though. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Just remember guys, don't be scared of going up when you're fading actually, because you just want to let the fear go. Basically, you want to fade up to have that nice smooth blend. Right now I'm actually going with the grain down, so you won't see it as dark. His taper is one of my favorite clients doing the taper. Is really smooth taper. I love cutting this type of hair. It's so easy and smooth and clean. Right here I'm grabbing my T-out liner. I'm going around the ear, make that nice crispy line. If you're watching this video and someone is learning or wants to learn how to cut hair, share the video. Share the video to anyone. Repost it, whatever, tag me in it. If you need any help, DM me. I got you. So right here I'm doing the lineup. You want to make sure you do the lineup as natural as possible and keep it a straight line. You don't want to push back any lineups. The main thing of a haircut makes the haircut stand out so much more, 10 times better. It looks really crispy already, but we're not done. I haven't hit the razor yet. When you do the razor on the lineup, it makes the haircut even pop out even more. Make sure you have a nice sharp corners and then square the side. So this is the video. We're coming to an end of the video. Right here I'm actually using some enhancement. I'm not really that good at using this. I barely started learning how to use this, so if I'm doing it wrong, comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong, teach me. I'm always open to learn any new steps, new ways to cut hair. So if you know how to cut hair, hit me up, let me know. I'm open-minded. But right here I'm doing a little freehand with the T-out liner from the front of the lineup, just so the lineup could pop out a lot more. And yep, this is the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it and liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.